Hey folks, for OS Reviews, you're watching our video review of the MagicFly plug-in wireless doorbell. This can be installed relatively easily. You don't even have to screw it in if you don't want to. Place this part, the transmitter, onto your front door, and you have two receivers that you can place around your house. So maybe one in the kitchen, one in your bedroom, so you can hear, no matter where you are, a door chime if someone is knocking or at your front door. In terms of specifications, we have a 1,000 feet range, which is good, and the actual receiver does not need to be replaced in terms of the batteries. And it also is pretty loud. You can adjust the volume from 25 decibels to 110 decibels, which is extremely loud. And you can also select from different ringtones. In fact, you have 52 different chimes that you can go through and customize your set with. On the inside of the eco-friendly packaging, we have access to the two aforementioned receivers, which are pretty large in size and house the speaker, in addition to the controls for changing the chimes and also the volume. On the front, you have access to the manufacturer's logo, which will illuminate blue when being plugged into the wall, and overall the craftsmanship is good. It doesn't creak or cringe. It does attract quite a bit of fingerprints, however. You also have access to the receiver. You have to remove this battery tab first before you use the unit. And there's also an instruction manual that documents how to change things and how to set things up. And finally, there's also access to a 3M double-sided tape, which you can use to mount the receiver onto your front door or onto the wall, if you want to use this for temporary reasons. And finally, there's also a mounting screws and brackets if you want to use it for a more permanent. How the process works in real life, I have the transmitter over here. You can see the button here is pretty tactile and easy to press. Whenever I tap on it, the blue light will start to illuminate and the chime will ring for 2 times, and it will also flash for 2 times before it stops. You can adjust the volume using the top button, and you have 4 different settings that you can go through. The version that we have here is currently on the most quiet setting, which is 25 decibels. I can tap on it once to make it louder, and finally back to the most quiet setting. Down below here, I have the ability to change the chime or the ringtone, so I can tap on there. And again, you can really cycle through those and pick from classical music to more unconventional ringtones. You can really select from the one that you like the most. Some of them are pretty interesting, and you can see how they also change the LEDs as it flashes along to the music, which is kind of interesting. Some of the chimes also go on for a bit longer in terms of the time and duration than the others. At the end of the day, the MagicFly Wireless Doorbell set is a good deal for sub $25. It's well constructed, the chime is loud enough, and you can definitely customize it to your liking. It also includes 2 receivers as opposed to only 1, which is good if you have multiple rooms or a larger space to fill. To check out more information, be sure to read our full written review. This has been our video. Thanks for watching. Here are OS Reviews.